Unleashing the power of motivation for traders, a path to financial success and happiness. Hello, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and inspiring topic to discuss: motivation for traders. As traders, we all face challenges and obstacles in our journey towards financial success and happiness. In this video, we will explore how to convert life's challenges into opportunities, improve our financial standing, and develop a winning psychology for consistent trading success. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, I'd like to share my personal trading journey. I started just like many of you, with challenges and losses, but with unwavering motivation, I turned things around and found success. Setting clear goals and objectives. Having a clear vision of your financial goals is crucial to stay motivated. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. The power of positive affirmations. Using positive affirmations daily can create a strong mental attitude. Tell yourself that you are a successful trader, and you will attract success. Transforming life into happiness. Embracing a growth mindset. A growth mindset allows us to see challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than setbacks. Embrace learning and improvement in every aspect of trading. Balancing work life and trading. Finding a healthy balance between trading and personal life is essential for overall happiness and mental well-being. Gratitude practice. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude can significantly impact your overall happiness and mindset. Financial improvement. Diversification and risk management. Diversifying your portfolio and implementing effective risk management strategies can safeguard your investments and improve financial stability. Building multiple income streams. Exploring various income streams can provide additional financial security and reduce dependency on a single trading strategy. Patience and long-term vision. Understand that financial improvement in trading takes time. Keep a long-term vision and avoid chasing quick gains. Enhancing trading strategies. The role of indicators and chart patterns. Learn to use technical indicators and chart patterns to identify potential entry and exit points in the market. Importance of a solid trading plan. A well-defined trading plan acts as a roadmap to success, helping you stay disciplined and focused on your trading objectives. Developing and backtesting strategies. Creating and thoroughly backtesting your trading strategies can boost your confidence in executing trades. Mastering trading psychology. The psychology behind successful trading. Understanding and managing emotions like fear and greed are critical to maintaining a healthy trading psychology. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness techniques and meditation can help you stay calm and focused during high-pressure trading situations. Learning from mistakes. Mistakes are part of the trading journey. Embrace them as learning opportunities to grow and improve. Well, there you have it, traders. Motivation is the key that unlocks the doors to financial success and happiness. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Cultivate a positive mindset, embrace challenges, and continue learning and improving. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders, and together, let's create a motivated and successful trading community. Until next time, happy trading!